In this video, we will select suitable sounds for our instruments. To adjust the percussion, select the classic electric piano track. Note that this can be adjusted for easy viewing. Select Orchestra, Percussion, Orchestra Kit. To adjust the strings, select the Steinway Grand Piano track. Select Orchestra, Strings, String Ensemble. Check that you can hear the instruments. Press spacebar to play and pause the tracks. Press the loop button. You can also use the shortcut key C. The track will keep looping from the start. Lastly, turn off the metronome here. You can press K on your keyboard too. In the next video, we will explore how to create a fuller and more realistic sound for the strings.